For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to make a collage. And I believe every smartphone out there has an ability to do this. It's just overlooked a lot. And let's explain what is a collage first of all. If you have multiple pictures and you want to show those to somebody without sending 3 pictures, or it's really a good thing for comparison. Look at this picture compared to this picture, or you want to show progression of something. Collage works very well. I was a professional bodybuilder for a long time, and I always wanted to compare how I looked one week with the next week, and a collage is a great way to do that. So let's dive right in. First you want to do, I want to add, I'm doing this on my Samsung S25 Ultra. And again, this will work probably on any Android device. It's just maybe a little bit different. I'm using one UI 8 Beta 3, so the gallery may work a little bit different, but it's still going to be the same mechanics of it. So, okay, so let's dive in here. So go to gallery, and then we'll look at the top 4 pictures. So let's pick 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures. Then bottom left, create, and we're going to say a collage. And then here's our options at the bottom on what we want to do and how you want them placed. So let's say we want to do this one. It'll automatically make 4 pictures and set it for you. Now you can also tap and move, I believe. Tap and move spots, so those just switched spots with each other. You can tap, pinch and hold to make it bigger, smaller. You can crop it. There's the crop lines, obviously, and you can do that for each box. It's very powerful. It's a pretty simple thing we're doing, but it's a very powerful feature for pictures. This just kind of sets the color, I'm sorry, the blurriness and the background. This will round the corners, so as you see, my corners are rounding instead of square. This is a 9/16. It's going to set your ratio to a different ratio if you want it, or widescreen. So yeah, there's all kinds of different things. Most of the time you'll need an app for this, and for the longest time in my life I just used an app that I would open the app, I would import the pictures, I would make the collage, I would send the picture to my whatever I needed to send it to. So now it's just all built in. So again, you have all your different options at the bottom, which are really limitless as to the way you want to make it. You save it or you share it, and it's really that simple. Now you have a collage of, instead of sending somebody 4 pictures and loading up their text or email, put them all in one picture and send it. So it's really neat. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.